In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you've spent with expense reports in QuickBooks Online. This essential skill will help you manage your business finances more effectively and ensure that you're keeping track of every dollar spent. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your QuickBooks account, simply open your browser and log in, which will bring you to the home page. From here, we're going to dive into recording expenses properly, which is a key part of staying on top of your financials. You'll want to hover your mouse over the plus icon in the toolbar. This is where you'll initiate recording an expense. Once you see the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Expense. This will open up a new screen where you can input all the relevant information for your expense record. Now it's time to enter details about the expenditure. Start by filling in the payee, which could be a supplier or vendor. Next, ensure you select the correct payment account, and don't forget to record the payment date and the method you used, whether it was by credit card, bank transfer, or another method. Once you've entered these basic details, move on to the category details section. Here you need to choose the appropriate expense account. This step is important because it helps you categorize the transaction and ensures it's organized correctly in your records. After categorizing, you'll be prompted to add a description of the expense along with the amount. You can also add tags or reference numbers if needed. These additional fields can be useful for detailed tracking and future reference. If the expense is something you plan to bill a customer for, make sure to mark it as billable. Then select the appropriate customer or project. This will ensure the expense is included on the customer's invoice as necessary. Once you have filled out all the required information, remember to save the expense. This ensures that your spending is recorded accurately and reflected in your accounts. Beyond manual entry, expense tracking features can streamline your process. Click on My Apps in QuickBooks, then head over to Accounting and select Bank Transactions. Here, you can connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks. By doing this, expenses will automatically be imported and categorized in real time, saving you valuable time and reducing manual errors. Lastly, let's take advantage of QuickBooks' powerful reporting tools. Click on Reports, and from the list, choose Profit and Loss. This report offers a summary of income and expenses for any given period, helping you to see the bigger financial picture. For more detailed insights, use the filter option to access the Expenses by Vendor Summary report, which shows spending organized by vendor. Remember, categorizing expenses consistently is crucial to monitoring spending patterns. By tracking expenses over time, you can identify trends, uncover cost-saving opportunities, and make informed financial decisions.